tile today. So he's putting down the glue, which is the mud. And this is what I talk about, back butter. And that's face up. These spaces are self-leveling spaces, which are pretty good because it comes with these little clips here. I'll show it to you. Really, really nice. That's these things right here. And then this is the other part. So you do it like this, one tile here, one tile here, then you take this and you go through this hole on top of the tile, and then you just clip it just like that. And what it does, it pulls up both tiles. I'll show you exactly what he just did. So he's going to put down the other one first. Very important. Those tooth marks from the trowel, they have to be, you know, combed out exactly to where you're looking at it. Or else, if they're flattened, that tile is just going to crack after a while. You're going to back butter the tile now. Make sure it's good at using. Puts it down, then he's gonna put the self-leveling spacers right where his hand is. It's always good to put them in first before you put the tile, because if you don't, then it's gonna be hard. You're gonna have to lift the tile back up again. And you know, firmly press just to make sure it's level. Everything is nice and level with the hardwood, evenly, perfect. Then he's going to put the self-leveling clips in. the way, there is a tool for this, but you can purchase these self-living clips at Home Depot. Home Depot doesn't sell the tool, but you can also order the tool from my website, or you can order it anywhere on the internet, and that's it. That gives you a perfect level. Now we're just going to continue with this all the way through. We're going to do all of this right here today. These are going to be laid out like subway tiles. So we put one right here in the middle, and that ties the joint. It just, you lay it just like how you do hardwood floor. It makes it stronger. And then for every other one, you just put the clips, and that's it.